Welcome to our video supplement involving multiplying complex numbers. Now when we go to multiply complex numbers, there's two main things we have to keep in mind. First of which is we want to FOIL. First, outer, inner, last. We're going to expand what we have. And the second key thing is we need to remember that I squared is equal to -1 since I is the square root of -1. Keeping these two things in mind, we can multiply complex numbers. So first, we're going to do what we have outlined here. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times a -5i is a -35i. Then 2i times 4 would be plus 8i. 2i times a -5i is a -10i squared. Combine our like terms in the middle there. -35 plus 8. Just like we're combining like terms back in Algebra 1. That will be a -27, and the I stays attached. And then what we have to remember is what can we replace I squared with? Well, I squared is equal to -1. So then we get 28 minus 27i plus 10. Now we combine our like terms. 28 plus 10 is 38, and then we have -27i. There's our final answer for the product of those complex numbers. Now, can we verify this on our calculator? And actually we can. TI-83, TI-84, TI-Nspire, whatever. Parentheses, 7 plus 2, now here's the I button. You hit second and then the decimal point. For those of you with the Nspire, it's in the same menu that you would find your pi button. Times parentheses 4 minus 5 times I. Close your parentheses, hit enter, and notice we're able to verify our answer. Pretty simple, but make sure that you're able to do the process and show your work. Here's the other example that we're going to look at. Again, we're going to start off, -3 times 2 is -6. Then we're going to have a plus 21i. Be careful, negative times negative is positive. Then we'll have a plus 10i. And last but not least, -35i squared. Combine our like terms in the middle. 21 plus 10 is going to be 31i. Then don't forget what we can replace and what we need to replace I squared with. I squared is equal to -1. So we'll have -6 plus 31i plus 35, and that will turn into 29 plus 31 times I. That should be our final answer, but we can always check on the calculator. So in this problem, it's -3 plus 5i times 2 minus 7i. Close our parentheses, hit enter, and there we go. We've checked our answer. Now there will be times when we don't allow the calculator on these problems, just simply to see if we can do it without being reliant on the calculator. But it's not bad. FOIL, and then remember that I squared is equal to -1. Substitute and combine your like terms.